So I want you to look at my pan here. Oh, I missed a spot. I gotta fire that dishwasher. So last night we had spaghetti, and yeah, I know it's not low carb, but whatever. I wanted it, and it was good. But we had spaghetti, and I decided, since I worked the night before last, I was so tired I didn't really feel like washing the dishes afterwards, and that's not uncommon for me if I've worked all damn week and don't feel like doing the dishes after I cook dinner. But anyway, stop it, you two. I'm onto something. I stumbled onto something. I left, this is one of my favorite pots. Look at this. It's all jacked up. Look, this won't come off. Look at that. See that? This is one of my favorite little saucepans to cook in. But I left the tomato sauce in there a little bit of it. I just kind of rinsed it out a little bit and left it in the sink overnight. And then I poured it out. And usually this is all gritty and gross and stuff inside. But it took every bit of the stuff out of it. I don't know if you can see it. Trust me, it looks a lot better than it did. So it's all nice and smooth and nothing on there. So I'm going to show you what I've done. So I got the bright idea. These dogs are off the chain this morning. I have got another pan that when I made my pollo loco, and I'll show you, I'll get that recipe to you, I promise. Maybe, you know what, maybe I'll do that recipe tomorrow. I don't know if you have seen the pictures, if you follow me on Instagram. But, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to follow me on Instagram. Post a lot of good stuff there. But I was trying to recreate my pollo loco, and I think I almost ruined one of my pans. I was, anybody want 2 dogs? They're absolutely free. Buy 2, get 1. Well, buy 2, get 1 free, I was gonna say, but if I said they're free, you can't buy 2, get 1 free. But they're off the freaking chain today. They're happy because their mom was home with them today. Anyway, I'm getting off the subject. I was making that pollo loco, and I was sauteing my rice in the bottom of my pan. And I got little burn marks all in it, and I can't get it out for nothing. And I really don't like to use the wire stuff on this type of pots and pans. So last night when we had spaghetti, I saved some of the sauce, and I threw, just listen Daisy talk, I threw a little bit of sauce in the pan this morning, because this is one of my favorite pans as well, or pots, whatever. And because it's got all those little burnt things on it, you can see, and I can't get it off. But I put some of the tomato sauce in there, and I'm just going to let it sit in there all day, just a little bit. I heat it up, a little bit of water in it, and I'm going to let it sit. And then I'm going to come back later this evening and see if it cleans it out. I believe it's the acidity of the tomato sauce that cleaned the pan, so who knows? Maybe they need to invent some like tomato sauce type dishwashing liquid. I think that would be great. But I'll let you know how that turns out. So I'm anxious to see. How about you? All right, it's time to eat with me. We're having a little bit of lunch here today, and look at that. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Be jealous, bitches. Be jealous. I'm serving myself up a little bit of fettuccine. Had some fettuccine noodles left over. Oh, my heart, girls. I made with this just a light garlicky butter type sauce just to put over it, just very light. It was so quick and so easy. And a lot of salt. So I like salt. And hot. Mmm. Damn, I swear to God, I love noodles. Noodles are a girl's best friend. They shouldn't be, though. You know I'm supposed to be on that damn low-carb diet, but we decided that we were going to have spaghetti last night because that's what I wanted. And my husband wanted some fettuccine Alfredo. That's what happens when you live with somebody who likes to cook. You know, I cook like 10 different dinners a night, it seems like sometimes, but it's like, I'll ask Olivia, what do you want for dinner? Oh, I would like to have this or that. And then I'll ask my husband, what would you like for dinner? And he's like, well, I want this. And it's like, I want something else. So sometimes they end up cooking 3 different things for dinner. I'm not lying. And that's okay because we usually have leftovers. And who doesn't love leftovers? That's a May who wants a noodle. Come over this side, babe. Come over here, catch a noodle. Look, Mama got a noodle. You gotta come over here and get it. Look, watch. Watch my doggy eat a noodle. Yummy, yummy. Slurp it, baby. Slurp it. Let Roscoe have a noodle. Get back. Roscoe gets a noodle. Come here, Roscoe. Come show your pretty face. Get the hell away. Come here, Roscoe. Come here. Come here, baby. No. This is for Roscoe. God bless America. You see Roscoe eat a noodle. Look at him. Look at them babies eating noodles. Here's another one. Watch her. Ha! Look. God. Do you think they could be like Lady of the Tramp where they take that spaghetti and... they both go together. Another noodle. I'm gonna get off here because I'm gonna finish this. And I've got just a little bit because I have got to pick Olivia up from tennis practice. And then I'm gonna clean my house. Little birdies. I think there was like a tortilla there. Look at that. Somebody's got it like a wrap. They're going crazy over it. Crazy, I tell you. Fighting over it. Alright guys, look, I showed you my what I done is I put the tomato sauce in there and it took every bit of that. Now this is just normal stuff that's on there, but it took every bit of the, look at that, it's just as smooth, I can run my finger over it. And the stuck on like the fried rice where it's stuck hard to the pan, and look, it's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, this was already there, so that's not what I was getting off. Go back to the first part of the video and you can see all the chunky hard stuff that I couldn't get off there. But Isn't that something? Tomato sauce takes stuff off your pans. Oh, you guys, look what I filmed. Just hot out of the oven. Look at that. Looky. I'm about to burn myself. Look how beautiful. Let me turn this light on here. Look how beautiful that is. You know what that is? That is the oven fried chicken thighs. They were marinated in buttermilk and a little bit of Frank's hot sauce, and I threw on some ranch dressing. They're gonna be absolutely amazing. Make sure you watch this video. I might try to get it up tonight. I don't know. It'll be up this weekend. But anyway, make sure you check out all my channel, all my content on my channel, all my videos. Check out all my videos. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Seriously.